If you are a small YouTuber and want to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my top tips on how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. First up, find your niche. A niche is the kind of video you want to produce and post on your channel. Think about what you love. Is it cooking, gaming, beauty, entertainment, comedy, tech-related? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about. Your excitement will shine through in your videos, and trust that energy. And YouTube will also recommend your videos too. Next, brainstorm your content ideas. Grab a pen and paper, and write down everything that comes to mind. The more specific you can get, the better. This is like building your own content treasure map, guiding you to your first video. Don't overthink it, just utilize simple ideas that are likely to trend. You don't need to spend much to get started. Your smartphone can do a lot that equates to a camera. Just make sure you have decent lighting. Natural light works great, or you can invest in some affordable softbox lights. Another key aspect is consistency. Choose a schedule that works for you, weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Whatever you decide, stick to it. Your audience will come to expect your content, and this builds loyalty. Plus, it keeps you accountable too. The third aspect is how you engage with your audience. Respond to all the comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel heard. If you're making a tutorial video showing how to solve something, make sure you hear all the views of your audience and respond appropriately. It's like hosting a party. Everyone loves to feel included. The more you interact, the stronger your community will grow. Let's not forget about thumbnails and titles. TNT. Creating a compelling thumbnail and title is crucial for attracting viewers and increasing engagement with your content. A strong thumbnail serves as the visual gateway, grabbing attention and sparking curiosity, while an engaging title communicates the essence of your video and encourages clicks. Together, they play a vital role in standing out on crowded platforms, improving discoverability, and setting viewer expectations. Investing time in crafting these elements can significantly boost your video's performance, leading to higher view counts, better retention rates, and ultimately, greater success in building your audience. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Every big YouTuber started somewhere, so don't be discouraged if it takes time. I wish to see everyone succeed as a YouTuber and get rewarded for your hard work. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please watch other related videos on the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.